Hey everyone, it's Aaron Walls with Walls Music and Sound. I wanted to give you some tips about industry books that I've read and enjoyed and maybe would help you with some game audio. The first up is the Sound Effects Bible. This is a really cool book for just figuring out how to make all sorts of creative sounds that you may not have made before. Basically taking, a Foley library that you've created or find online and just combining things in unique ways, making custom sounds to make sounds you haven't made before. The next one is called Mixing Secrets. This one is great for music as well as sound design, especially if you're doing sound design where you're mixing voiceover and music and ambience and everything all together. I found it really helpful for working on music production. The next one is called Creating Music and Sound for Games. This one is just kind of a general industry book, probably more for the beginner, just about the process, the timing, all of that. And then this one is one I've had for a long time, the Guide to MIDI Orchestration. So this isn't sound design as much as music composition, ways to make, especially if you're not used to orchestral composition, they'll tell you like which instruments to double, which parts to double, that kind of thing. And then finally, Aaron Mark's Complete Guide to Game Audio. So this one's another general audio book, talks about really everything, but what I really like about it is it interviews a lot of people, a lot of sound designers and composers, internal as well as external contractors, so you get a lot of perspective. And I was lucky enough to be interviewed for that book, so it was a couple of years ago, so it's not really that current, but it has a lot of stuff that I was working on at Kabam. So anyway, I hope that's super helpful. I'll try to put up the authors and everything in the description. Okay, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.